Welcome. If you want to let your friends and followers know when you're active on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to show your activity status on the Instagram app for desktop. With a new update, it's easier than ever to manage your online presence, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on that to open up additional options. Next, from the expanded menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize your Instagram experience and adjust privacy and messaging features. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section called Message and Story Replies. Click on it to continue. Now, you'll see a list of options related to how you interact with messages and stories. Look for the setting labeled Show Activity Status. Click on it to enter the activity status settings. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle switch next to Show Activity Status. If you want people to see when you're active or recently active on Instagram, make sure this switch is turned on. Once enabled, your friends and followers will be able to see your activity status whenever you're online. That's it. You've successfully enabled your activity status on Instagram using the PC app. This feature helps you stay connected and lets others know when you're available to chat or respond to messages. If you ever want to hide your activity again, just follow these same steps and turn the switch off. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tutorials.